What's goody? What's goody? What's goody? How y'all feeling today? Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe, family. Welcome to Sunday morning markups. It is up. Shout out to our sponsors, Pimpin' Ain't Easy, and the official affiliates of Sway Markets. As you know, that's who we are, baby. Let's go. If you're not aware, you can go get your pimpin' apparel at pimpinainteasy.com, right? And make sure you also subscribe, like, and comment on the YouTube page. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. Make sure you go here, hit the like and subscribe button, family. All right. And then out in all of our videos, right? You can go down to any video down there. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game. As you can see, with our affiliate program, the affiliate program go crazy. Make sure you lock in right here so you can get activated, family. Yeah. Let's get it. All right, so today, Sunday morning markups, we about to turn up real quick. Last week was beautiful. Shout out to Emmanuel with the process, man. We're gonna get right into this. Boom, boom, boom. All right, this ACAD. We bought ACAD last week. We're looking for it to come down to our green box. This weekly close bearish, though. It looks tricky, but I think I still like this zone. So let me get out the bigger picture here. I still like this zone. I still like this zone right here. This zone is still a nice zone. It's a weekly zone. Now, it is in a downtrend, right? But I do want to see a little bit of retracement up here. And we do have confirmation on a smaller time frame that this can potentially be a reversal area. Now, I may scoot down to this green box, right? Let's look at the monthly. Okay, see, this is what I like too on this monthly. Like this whole zone, this is like zone. Don't get me wrong. These wicks mean something. So it could potentially come down here and hit one of these zones. But at the end of the day, we just trading our zones. If it breaks, then cool, right? But if it doesn't, then we're going to maximize our potential. All right. So right now, it is respecting this zone, our buy zone. We have been taking our money off this zone. I want to see this monthly, 20 more days. I want to see it pull up some. I want to see it close above this right here and maybe come make a doji or something back up to about 87.5. That's what I would love to see. But right here on this 4 hours, it's giving us some bearish momentum, but it's off an order block, right? So you see right here, this zone right here. We want to see this thing continue to shoot up, right? At least, I feel like at least we can take this to this white line. We can take it back up here, right? This is the 4 hour. Let's see how she opens. But keep in mind, this whole gray zone is our zone. So we are looking for reversals in this whole zone because on a bigger time frame, we know what we see. Now, if it breaks this, then okay, cool. You know, but that's ACAD. Let's get through it. Looking for buys on ACAD. Let me send this to the chat. Still waiting on our zone, baby. Still waiting on our zone. So it may scoop, though. It may scoop. What I mean by scoop is, like, look at that. That's a nice head and shoulders. Playing out nicely. Let me see. You feel me? That could be a play. Inverted head and shoulders. I like that. It's on the 4 hour too, so we looking for buys until it breaks. You know. Let's send this to the chat. Make that. All right, NJ. Let's see. NJ. But we still waiting on NJ. We still waiting on this zone right here. We've been patient. We've been patient. I don't know if y'all watched last week, but we still waiting on this zone right here. So it ain't came up here yet. Right there. That's what we're waiting on. Let me lighten this up. All right, cool. Same thing on NJ, man. This is what we're looking for. NJ. All right, let's see. Okay, it looks like we might get our zones this week. We got all right, so let's see how this weekly goes. Now we got a high right here. You see it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Watch out for CAD JP. Why? When this thing falls, family, this is something we want to watch fall. If it breaks, then cool, but that would be some new highs. New highs. We want to see this it bounce off this zone. This is our zone right here. That's a small one. Let's go big on it. Okay, here we go. All over the place today. Okay, here we go. And this is our zone right here. This is the month. This is the weekly time frame. So you know, it's a little. You know what I mean, like it's a lot of space. All right, it's a lot of space. All right, let me just say that. Take this up here. Then we're gonna tip off the. So then. Okay, blah. All right, let's get it. Let's do this. Okay. I bet. And we like this zone right here. So we want to see this thing fall, family. Like, this can drop for a long time. It's a monthly bearish engulfing to the left of price right here. We got 19 more days before this monthly candle close, man. We can potentially take this thing all the way back down, family. It will be phenomenal, to be honest. We never really retest this zone. So yeah, keep an eye on CJ, man. We can swing this potentially. We're waiting on a big confirmation, maybe the daily or weekly. But till then, let's get our 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 pips we can on this pullback. Because I do believe we can catch this zone right here off this weekly. That's the 4 hours here, the daily away. Okay, yeah. We want to see this thing push up. 4 hour alert that. Right up here. That's what we want to see. Yeah. We want to see it come up there. Yes, Lord. Oh, I got to upgrade. They want to upgrade me. How many alerts I got? I need that one. You want me to upgrade my basic plan? I'm too basic, huh? All right. I'm going to go find something and get up out of that one. But yeah, this is what we want to see, fam, on CJ. Big guy. Big time. My bad, y'all. Trying to get my arrow together. It ain't working out for me. All right, boom. This to play. Let me duplicate this because it's behind that. Clone that one. Pull my vein. And bring that down. That's all you want to see, fam. Okay. As you can see, it looked like it's flagging up too, family. Like it does. It looked like it's flagging up. Feature. All right, so as you can see, look, flag. If we get some respect off here, just push up. As long as the respect is on to the drop, that would be nice. UJ broke this zone. We want to see what it does on this next zone. See what this weekly look like. We want to see what it does on this next zone. This weekly closed super bullish. So I'm thinking maybe you gotta respect the break, right? So it may be coming for a push up, but if it comes down here, I definitely want to see it come down back down to 70. For 146,600 area, 146,700. Bounce off this zone right here, but it does look like it wants to come up here. All right. Like that's a bullish candle, that's super bullish. It broke right here, as you can see, on this blue zone. So it broke this blue zone, which was once resistance. It broke it, right? And then I think it should retest and maybe continue. So keep an eye on that. You probably can catch some shorts right here, on UJ, but it looked like it might just open up and shoot up because this is a weekly bullish engulfing candle. So it can just shoot up. So keep an eye on UJ. I would definitely wait on some type of bearish confirmation or a pullback to get in for the buy, but not something I really want to pay attention to this week. Still waiting on EJ to come up. Don't like where it's at right now because it's really nothing to the left of price here, right? Like it's just in the middle of some imbalance. So I'm waiting on a confirmation. We have some alerts set up here that we're looking for on EJ, but right now it's not in our zone. So GJ, same thing. We're waiting on this up here. It does look like a break and retest, but I will not get in for this buy. Has to come down here for me to get in or come up here for me to think about selling or buying. All right, so we got some consolidation on EG. EG has been playing this weekly consolidation. Blah, 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 blah. I'm loving it, right? So we're waiting on it to break out this little box. It's in a weekly consolidation on a smaller level right here. And I do believe once it break out this box, we'll either get a break and retest, something like that, to one of those levels, right? So that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting on something to come out, break, and go. So, but long term, we do want to see a sell. We want to see it break out of this right here. We want to see it break out of this consolidation to the downside, right? Because we're getting lower highs on the bigger time frame. So we're looking for the sell long term. But if it breaks out of this box, we know which way to go, and then we'll catch the sell up here and then swing it down. But that's the overall big picture. And we're waiting on the breakout outside of this consolidation. But we have been capitalizing on price coming down, touching this box, just eating off this consolidation, 20, 30 pips, you get out, you never know what it might do. But as you can see, every time it came up, this is, let's see how many pips this is inside this box. So this inside this box is 150 pips. So you can go get you 50 to 100 pips just playing this consolidation game. But we would love to see it break out. We did get some back, but since we know the ultimate goal is to see it sell, we was just looking for sales. So we caught a couple sales out this zone, and that was pretty much it. Every time it came up here, we would sell it down for 20, 30 pips, but ultimately we were waiting on the breakout. All right, ECAD. Now look, I like ECAD. I'm waiting on ECAD to do something nice. I do want to see it. As you can see, we got like a head and shoulders kind of going on here. We do have a couple zones up top that we got marked off, but we want to see it come back up to this zone. As you can see, it hit this weekly, and then it snapped off that order block, came down hundreds of pips. We caught that play a few weeks back. Boom, that's 200-300 pips. Capitalized. Smack, right? Smack. Okay, so now on the smaller time frame, so this is the weekly. Let's check out the monthly real quick. Now, monthly, this is a monthly bearish engulfing zone. It has made touches up here, right? So what we want to see is price come down a little bit, get some of this imbalance. Now, it can go either way, but it's respect in this zone. So that's what we want to pay attention to. Respect. You know what I'm saying? Put some respect on my name. Shout out to Birdman. All right, so let's bust it down to a small time frame and see if we can find something. Okay, we do have some a little. Look, this one I'm looking at, this daily order block. Now we do have one here, but I feel like it's a fake out. I do feel like that. I still want to see this right here. It hasn't really happened. It happened lightweight, but I still want to see this right here. I want to see it come up to this zone. And sell down. Still waiting on the same play. Just ain't happening yet. This is what we want to see, right? This is what we want to see. The push up, break through this, come tap this, clean up this imbalance, hit that order block, and then sell down. That's what we're waiting on. Now you can potentially hold that, but that's what we're waiting on. We're waiting on this push up right here and this sell down. And I think this is going to be a nice play. It's something to watch. Matter of fact, let me do this. ECAD. Let me check these off. All right. What was the other one? Yeah. So we're looking at them this week. Just want to keep our eyes on this, but I think this play will play out nice. Nice, to be honest. On my arrow. Here we go. All right, boom. That'll be nice. That's what we're waiting on. So you want to look out for that as well. This is ECAD. You want to look out for ECAD. ECAD. Yes, Lord. Hope everyone having a phenomenal Sunday, man. It's a beautiful day. Ooh, this play was nice. Look how we caught this. This is the order block gang. That's what I'm saying. Shout out to the new trap house. This is that order block gang right here, family. This is what I love when it plays out how you want it to play out. Now, look, we could have capitalized on this twice. Okay. Now we have the TP long term, the swing play off of this used to be resistance because price it moves what, family? Up, down, and forward, right? So this used to be a resistance. Once it closed above, it retested this and then it broke again. Boom. Now we should expect it to come back down here because it never really hit it like we wanted to see it get hit. Okay. All right. So the beautiful thing is we didn't catch that buy, but we did catch this sale right here off of this zone. As you can see, we got that daily order block. Boom. Call some sales. Now, these are nice sales. That's why 20, 30 pips is some good money. That's 160 pips, came back, dropped down 90 pips, came back, still in our zone, right? Closed below this candle. Boom. Dropped 200 pips, came back, dropped another 180 pips. Now, what we want to see is on a smaller time frame. We want to see this thing come up one more again. It hit nicely right there. We want to see it come up one more again, though. We want to see it come up one more again. One more again. Right up in this area right here. This is what we're waiting on. That's what we're waiting on, family. That play right there. We waiting on price to shoot up, spike up here, hit the zone, tank back down. That's the play we're waiting on EN. All right. Copy. Okay, EN, EA. All right, let's big boy it out. Let's go to the monthly, see what we see. Okay. All right, so we got some zones up here. Price did break above over here. Let's see what we're looking for. We look like we're looking for some sales. Let's break down to the weekly. I don't know. It broke right here, so. Okay, this is on. Okay, weekly zone right here. Bounced off this zone. So that's our zone. Gray box is our zone. So anything in that box, we're looking for reversals, right? And we want to take it back down to this blue line. All right, potentially this right here. That's an imbalance right here, which would be a nice one. So let's see on a smaller time frame, the daily. All right, we do have a daily order block here. All right, boom. We want to see price put up. Now, if it breaks our zone, that's what we're looking for. But right now, this is our sell zone. All right, this is our sell zone right here. This is what we're waiting on. We want to potentially take it down here, but you know. EA. I like EA too. I like most of the euros. I don't mess with too many Euro Ds. I mean USDs because they just be twerking too much for me. Like they be moving. It has to be in a place where I really like the zone, right? It has to be in a place where I really like the zone. You know what I'm saying? So right now, I check them out. Don't get me wrong. I always look at them, got alerts on them and all that, but I feel like these are more manageable. Plus, off the session, I like waking up to money. So you trade London, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much a wrap. We getting respect off this zone here. As you can see, now it's another zone. It may come up here, break this, we taking it up top. It breaks this gray zone, close above this candle right here, we taking this thing up top. But right now, we want to see this thing push up some more or bounce off this zone. So if we can get a nice bounce off this area right here, you feel me? If we can get something off of it, that zone right there. Oh man, I didn't do that. All right, cool. We can probably get to buy off of here. Boom, boom, boom. Then we can probably get some good off of this, but we definitely want to wait on this. They either got to come retest this or bounce off this zone. Now this is the monthly time frame, so if we take it to the weekly, we have a weekly bearish engulfing right here with an alert set, right? So now price come there, we're going to sell it back down to here and then buy back up. You know what I mean? So that would be nice. And then for the break, for the continuation, because we don't know how bullish this thing is going to be. So just say price shoots up here, buy, comes back down here, respects this zone, boom, break, continuation, which would be phenomenal, right? This would be a nice play. So that's what we would like to see. Or if it does break, you got a counter. If it does break here, right, then we're looking for a retest off this zone, continuation. You know what I mean? So either one of those will work. You feel me? Any one of these will work, but I like it. Let me see. All right, good. Cool, 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 cool. Let's send this out. GA. Bye-bye. Okay. All right, that's GA. GN. GN been running. It's been working for us real nice. Let me take you down to this data so you can see how we've been capitalizing on this. It's definitely super bullish. We're waiting on a major reversal so we can swing this probably the rest of 2024. But GN, it's in a nice zone. It's been bouncing off our zone, and we've been capitalizing on these plays. But it comes down here. We can catch this buy up as long as it don't break. Now it's in a super, super, super uptrend, right? So it comes retest this. You feel me? We can catch this buy and then catch the continuation to the upside. But right now, we've been catching these sales beautifully off this zone. As you can see, this daily order block got hit by, and it dropped, let me see, 200 pips, right? Came back, kind of retested this zone. We like that zone on a smaller time frame. As you can see, we get confirmations of reversals. Boom, 4-hour bearish engulfing. It comes, almost hit it, still sold. Nice pips. So you could have caught this. This is why good take your money. It dropped 200 pips, then it came back and dropped 280 pips. So what we waiting on is we waiting on prices to come up here. We want to get them up here, right? It already boom, let's profit, smacked our TP, or we can buy it right here and get the continuation to the upside. But we do have a couple more sell zones over here that we like. Once it does, great, because we do want to see that bigger picture continue, as you know, and we're going to wait on our reversals, right? So price did close above this candle here. So now we want to wait on this retest off this and get the continuation to the upside. So that's GN. Definitely want to keep an eye on that. It just broke. It might retest here, but I definitely recommend waiting on this retest or potentially catching this sale, because I do think price will respect this zone right here. All right. All right. Cool. It's not in the place where we're gonna do nothing now, but that's what we're waiting on. Oh, this has been playing out beautiful. We've been eating off of cash. As you can see, we caught the sale here, bow, TP1 smack. We caught the sale here again, bow, TP1 smack. Now listen, TP1 is really smacking, family. First one smack for 150 plus pips. The next one smack for 120, 150 both times. Then we just caught this retest off this break because it broke this structure. It used to be resistance. Now it's support, right? Boom, broke here, was support, boom, create another resistance. Caught that 100 pip play right there. And I think we can continue this downward motion. You know what I'm saying? I think we could continue if we can catch the sell off this zone right here. You know what I'm saying? That'd be nice. Catch that. But bigger picture. Always look at the bigger picture, man. Bigger picture. Right? You like this zone. Oh, clean off the monthly. And it's been bouncing, double tapping. So it's been respected. We got 19 more days. This close of the bearish engulfing family is going down. We will see this play out. We will get this. So yeah, keep an eye on GCAD, man. We've been eating off CAD. I love to see it, man, when the plan works out. We've been eating off CAD. Definitely taking our money. I took profit. I'm a little salty, but I did take profit both times. Off of them plays, TP1, then right here. But we may catch this continuation right there to the pop. So keep an eye on that. For sure. All right, cool. Let me send that out. Because it's been playing out beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Beautifully. Thank you, Lord. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. Hey. All right, bet. Let me send this out. GCAD. Hey. Gold is in a nice place, man. I really want to see sales off this daily up here. I'm waiting on it. Got an alert set there. Really want to see that drop. off this daily, man. Come up here and retest that. I do like where it's at right now, but it has to come up here in order for me to sell it. We waiting on 1950, 1960, 1960 for preferably. We waiting on this zone right here in 1960. We want that zone. Then we'll take it back down. All right, that's what we're waiting on. But right now, we're not messing with gold. US 30 been selling like I told you. Like I told you. Feel me? You caught the sell here, smack TP here. As you can see, it's working our little consolidation box. Look at that break right there. As soon as every time it comes to these zones, we selling. This one too. We selling. I like it. We're gonna work this consolidation. This is thousands of pips. And this right here, weekly consolidation. We got a nice break. And until it breaks out one of these boxes, that's what we're looking for. Sales off the top and bottom of both these zones. Go to a smaller time frame. Find your bearish confirmation. Let's go. Let's go to the daily, see what it look like. Let's go to the 4 hours, see what it look like. Boom. You caught your 4-hour confirmation right here for the buy. 4-hour engulfing right off that zone. Bam. And you at least take it. At least you can take it back up here, which is 3,000. Come on, stop me. All right, that's pretty much it, man. I'm looking for some bearish momentum on all cryptos. I'm looking for some bearish momentum on all cryptos. Right around Christmas. You know what I'm saying? So it might spike down one more good time. Right? And then I want to see all cryptos get bullish. Around Christmas. I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see one more spike down. We can catch some buys. Because we got a higher high off this daily, this previous high. So let's see if this little bullish momentum continues. All right. Let's see if this bullish momentum continues. Let's see. Okay. All right. Ooh. So we got a trend right there. We got like a flag trend right here. You know what I'm saying? So I'll stop right here, right there, right there. So let's see if we can see. Well, I want to see a spike down and a push up. This is what I would like to see. I would like to see 13,000 and never come back. And Bitcoin just take off to the moon. This is a nice area right here, but that's just my thoughts. But I do think Bitcoin will be bullish. I'm not saying it's going to 150,000 yet, but I do think Bitcoin will get bullish, right? Just made a higher, broke this low right here, so it's creating a higher up. Definitely want to see it hit like 40 something. We might get 40 something around Christmas. Everybody get back into it, then we drop down here, hit this 15, and then continue up. But yeah, that's what I want to see, family. But hey, man, thanks for tuning into another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. Make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. All right? Make sure you lock in to the YouTube channel. Pimpin' Ain't Easy. Hit the like and subscribe button, family, and lock in with the free signals chat. Everything's right up under the videos, the bio. Hit the link, and also make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game. We are the official affiliates of Sway Market. Shout out to Pimpin' Ain't Easy, man. You can log in, man. Got the best spreads, easy withdrawal methods. It's up. And also, feel free, man. We do have the private community. You know, this is our Pimpin' Ain't Easy community. We definitely dropping gems in there daily. We have our signals chat. This is our weekly schedule. We lock in every week. So feel free to just do some more research, man. Lock in with the guy, and we can get it popping. Other than that, man, have a blessed, productive, and profitable week, family. Let's go.